Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless entry, keyless ignition, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.